Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some Big Texan Shrimp at the pit, and it's easy to do. All right, get your fire going, get it nice and warm. It is winter, right? These shrimp here are being sold as large. They look more like medium, so be careful. They all come with these arbitrary sizes, right? So these are about 18 to 20 a pound. So we put them on wood skewers. You know all about that, right? Melted some butter with some garlic. Pour it all over the top. Hit it with some fresh lemon right there, all right? That just kicks up the cook. And here's the magic. Here we've got some Big Texan. You got to check this out. Yeah, they got good shrimp in Texas. All right, now to the grill we go. We've got a low to medium heat on the grill. They will not take long to cook, and be careful. Some of you know you overcook shrimp and you're eating rubber, right? So cook them quick over the open flame like this. Oh, man. You know they're going to be good, right? All right. There's plenty of room in here. Oh, can you smell that? It smells good. Now, we're going to kick it up. Pit Boys are going dry sherry. Add it to the butter and garlic mix. And we're going to keep basting these quickly. Oh, man. Oh, Lord have mercy. Now, like I said, they're going to cook real quick. Only a few minutes. Not much more. Oh, now, I'd say it's time to eat. Add a little bit more lemon. Now, of course, you can set this up the way you want, right? Now we're doing the leafy green stuff. If it hurts your eyes, turn the other way, but it looks like fancy ass, right? So this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you. And trust me, they're not apologizing. So get in there. Man. Here we go.
It's first timer.
All right. Nothing much to say, right? I mean, so the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, head on over to BBQPitBoys.com. We appreciate your support, and while you're there, start your own Pit Boys chapter. We'd be proud to have you.